Dear students, today I am going to explain you one two questions from trigonometry. The first question is, if in any triangle the angles be to one another as 1 is to 2 is to 3, find the ratio of the corresponding sides. Answer is, let the rational constant be x. So 1x plus 2x plus 3x equals to 180 degree from angles and property of a triangle. This implies 6x equals to 180 degree. This implies x equals to 180 by 6 equals to 30 degree. Therefore, 1x equals to 30 degree, 2x equals to 60 degree, 3x equals to 90 degree. Now let A, B, C be the sides opposite to these angles. And from the sine formula, we know that A by sine A equals to B by sine B equals to C by sine C. Here, this small a represents the side opposite to angle A. This small b represents the side opposite to angle B, and this small c represents the side opposite to angle C. Okay? So here, this small a represents the side and capital A represents angle. In the same way, small b represents side angle and capital B represents angle B. Small c represents sides and capital C represents angle C. So A by sine 30 degree equals to B by sine 60 degree equals to C by sine 90 degree. So this implies A is to B is to C equals to sine 30 degree is to sine 60 degree is to sine 90 degree, and therefore A is to B is to C equals to 1 by 2 is to root 3 by 2, because sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2, sine 30 is 1 by 2, and sine 90 is 1. Now all these ratios are multiplied by 2. Then we get 1 by 2 into 2 is to root 3 by 2 into 2 is to 1 into 2, and then we get these 2 to cancel, and then that is equals to 1 is to root 3 is to root 2. And therefore, A is to B is to C equals to 1 is to root 3 is to 2. This is the corresponding sides ratio. Now, the second question is, the angles of a triangle ABC are in arithmetic progression, and it is being given that B is to C, that is side B is to C equals to root 3 is to root 2. Then find angle A. So the solution is, since angle A, angle B and angle C are in arithmetic progression, this implies angle B equals to angle A plus angle C by 2. This implies by crisscross multiplication we get 2 angle B equals to angle A plus angle C, and now both sides we are adding angle B, and then we get 2 angle B plus angle B equals to angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Okay, and then this implies 3 angle B equals to angle A plus angle B plus angle C, and from the angle sum property of a triangle, you know that sum of all three angle is 180 degree. So 3 angle B equals to 180 degree, and therefore angle B equals to 180 by 3 equals to 60 degree. Now from sine formula we know that B by sine B equals to C by sine C. This implies B by C equals to sine B by sine C. And now since B is to C equals to root 3 is to root 2, it is given to us. So B by C, in place of B by C, we will write here root 3 by root 2, that is equals to sine 60 degree by sine C. Because just now we calculated the angle B 60 degree. So root 3 by root 2 equals to root 3 by 2 sine C, because sine 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. So 2 is coming down. Now by crisscross multiplication we get 2 into sine C into root 3 equals to root 3 into root 2. And then sine C equals to root 3 into root 2 by 2 root 3. Root 3 cancel. So root 2 by, and 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 cancel, then 1 by root 2 is left. And you know that in sine 45 degree equals to 1 by root 2. So in place of 1 by root 2, we are adding sine 45 degree. And then this sine and this sine is cancelled. So C equals to 45 degree. So angle C is 45 degree. And therefore angle A equals to 180 minus angle B plus C. The angle B value is 60 degree and C value is 45 degree. So 180 minus 60 plus 45, that is 105. So 180 minus 105 equals to 75 degree. This is the value of angle A. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.